What's going on, guys? We are out in the mountains of Mexico right now. As you can tell, it's super foggy out here, and we're pretty high up. But what I decided to do today is get a little video of how to drift for beginners. This is for people who just picked up a rear-wheel drive car, just want to get the feeling of their car sliding out, basically just learn a little bit. So it's sprinkling out today. Figured it'd be a good time in the Z because it's all stock. Just show you guys what I mean. I'll go over the real basics, and then I'll just do a couple steps on how you can become better. This is basically just to help anyone who's never drifted before and they're just starting to get into it. So I'm gonna hook you guys up onto my window so you guys can just get my hand POV, and I'll talk to you guys while I'm doing it. So let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, so the basics of drifting. Basically, if you're not at the point to clutch kick, or if you have an automatic or anything like that, all you need to do is throttle inputs and turning. So I'm not even a clutch kick, I'm not going to do anything. All I'm going to do is just start off normally, give it a little gas, and I'll show you exactly what I'm doing with my hands. And it's as simple as that. So I'm just going to put it in first gear, just let off like I normally would. And then all you have to do is just give it a little gas. And then just move your hands accordingly. Alright, so I know that seems easier said than done, but all I did was just give it gas and turn into the direction I wanted the car to slide. It kicked the rear end out, and right when I feel the car turning that way, like it wants to go the way I don't want it to go, you just turn the wheel against it and fight it. And I know it's going to be hard at first to really figure out how much and when you should be doing it and stuff, but that's all about the learning curve of this. Basically, like I said, this is just for beginners. Just give it a little bit of gas, and then you'll probably spin out a bunch, but you know, you're gonna be teaching yourself when you're spinning out. So if you just turn and spin out, it's no big deal. Just next time, turn the wheel the other way a little bit sooner. That's all it is. It's just when to turn the wheel and throttle input. So you don't even need to clutch kick or anything like that. That's not until later down the line. If you guys have an automatic or whatever, all you have to do is just give it gas and turn, and right when you feel the car kicking out on the rear, that's when to give it a little bit more gas and turn the opposite way. But don't crank it the other way, and don't floor the gas. It's all about finesse. Like I said, it's easier said than done, but you guys will definitely get the feeling over time. You just need to practice a lot. Don't be doing this stuff, you know, if you're not comfortable, and if you don't feel like you're comfortable enough to do it around things that you could hit. Make sure you have a big open space, and make sure you're doing it safely. That's the number one thing. You don't want to destroy your car learning how to drift or anything like that. Alright, but like I said, guys, I'm going to show you guys one more time. I'm just going to give it a little bit of gas, and once the car kicks out, that's right when you just start playing with the wheel, feeling it all out. I know it's going to take you guys some time, but it's all about practice. All you have to do is just give it a little gas right when the car kicks out, feel it out, and maybe turn it a little bit. If you're straightening out, give it more gas. If you're going too far, maybe ease off the gas. And same goes for the steering. If you're straightening out, you're going to want to give it more gas and turn the other way, and to, you know, break the car out more. But if it's the opposite way, turn the steering wheel the other way. So it's all about just keeping the car in that easy rhythm where you could just slide it around, and you just gotta feel for it. So all I'm gonna do right now is just give it a little gas. I'm not gonna clutch kick it or anything. And then it's all about the blend between your hands and the throttle. See, I'm just barely tapping the throttle, and with my hands, I'm just controlling the car super easy and steady. helps you guys out a little bit, that's the real basics of drifting and how to just start getting the car going and feeling the like momentum of it. I know it doesn't tell you much and it's really hard to teach someone over a video, but for real, it's all about just throttle control and steering and practice. Seat time and practice is your biggest thing, and make sure you guys are safe with this. It's all about just that initial entry and then just holding it, and you guys will get better with time. It's just about steering and throttle, but that's as simple as I can explain it to someone who just wants to get into drifting. Or if you know some things, second gear, clutch kick it. Rip a little manji. Always start from the beginning and build your way up. You'll be a much better drifter over time, and just learn it slowly. I might make this a series, depending on how you guys like this. Alright guys, that's probably going to be the end for this video. I don't condone any of this stuff. This is all up to you guys, and if you guys are comfortable with doing it, obviously don't do this and wreck your guys' car. Like I said, this is just for the new beginners who maybe just got a rear-wheel drive car. It could even be automatic, and they just want to get that feel for sliding the car and just to learn how to control the car better. Could even help them if they're in the rain or something and spin out. So I'm just trying to help some people out. If you guys enjoy content like this, I make drifting videos all the time. I have a turbo Miata. I go to drift events. So be sure to subscribe if you like content like that, and give this video a like if it helped you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Give a fuck,